If you've ever wanted to fire up the grill in the middle of winter, or found yourself juggling multiple appliances just to get dinner on the table because your kitchen lacks outdoor ventilation, you already know the frustration of limited cooking options. This Ninja Foodi Smart 5-in-1 indoor grill is designed to bring authentic outdoor grilling results straight to your countertop without smoking out your entire house. The main problem it solves is versatility and guesswork. It combines an indoor grill, a 4-quart air fryer, a roaster, a baker, and a dehydrator all into one machine. But the standout feature is the Smart Cook system with its integrated Foodi Smart thermometer. Instead of awkwardly cutting open a steak to check if it's done, you plug the probe into your meat, set your desired doneness on the digital display, and the grill automatically stops cooking the exact second it reaches perfection. What makes it practical for everyday life is the smoke control system. It features a specially engineered grill grate, splatter shield, and cool air zone that actively reduces smoke, meaning you can get high heat searing up to 500 degrees indoors without setting off your smoke detectors. Things to consider before you buy. While it's a massive space saver compared to owning 5 separate appliances, the unit itself has a fairly large footprint, so you'll need adequate counter space. Also, because it packs high-powered heating elements and a fan, it does make a noticeable whirring sound while it's running or cooling down. So, who is this really for? This is a home run for apartment dwellers, busy parents, or anyone who loves grilled food year-round, but doesn't want to deal with propane tanks and charcoal outdoors. If you already have a fully equipped outdoor kitchen and a standalone air fryer, you might not need it, but for most households, it's a huge upgrade. Is it worth the money? If you want the flexibility to air fry, roast, and grill with precise temperature control without ever guessing if your meat is cooked through, it's a brilliant, highly functional investment for your kitchen. If this looks like the right fit for your kitchen, I've left the Amazon link in the description. And if this review helped you out, please hit that like button. Share it with someone who loves to cook, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, no-fluff appliance reviews.